Hey guys, today we are next to Audi A7 and you can see that the light switch is set to 0, but daytime running lights are actually on. So I'm going to try to enable an option to have daytime running lights controls over here in MMI. So over here is my phone and it's already connected to OBDeleven. And we are going to enter a list of all modules. Over here we are looking for module 09, which is the central electrics. And here we are going to enter long coding. And one of the top options is called MMI menu entry for daytime running lights. And it's set to hidden, so let's set it to visible. And slide to right. And as soon as I do this, I have new option over here, daytime running lights. And I believe if I deselect this, daytime running lights are no longer on. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you liked this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.